Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dribbble to LinkedIn for design portfolio growth. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Dribbble in your web browser. Log in to your Dribbble account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Social Links section. Locate the LinkedIn option. Enter your LinkedIn profile URL in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the URL for accuracy. Save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Now, open a new tab in your web browser. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your LinkedIn profile by clicking on your profile picture. Select Edit Public Profile and URL on the right side of the page. Scroll down to the Websites section. Click on the Add Website button. Choose the type as Other. Paste your Dribbble profile URL into the field provided. Save the changes. Return to your Dribbble profile. Share your Dribbble link on your LinkedIn posts or updates. Encourage your connections to check out your design work. Monitor the engagement on LinkedIn to see how your portfolio is performing. Continuously update both profiles to reflect your latest work. Engage with your audience on both platforms to foster connections. Maintain a consistent presence to attract potential opportunities. Explore other design communities to expand your reach further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.